Saint of the day, October 17th.
Today, the Church honors Saint Ignatius of Antioch.
One of the great early martyrs and church fathers.
Born in the 1st century, Ignatius became the 3rd bishop of Antioch, succeeding Saint Peter and Saint Evodius. He guided the Christian community with wisdom and courage
During a time of heavy persecution,
arrested under the Roman Emperor Trajan.
Ignatius was brought to Rome to face execution. Along the way, he wrote powerful letters to the early Christian communities, urging unity, faithfulness, and love for Christ. He is best remembered for his deep devotion to the Eucharist,
calling it the medicine of immortality, and for his fearless embrace of martyrdom,
desiring to be united with Christ even through suffering.
In the year 107, he was devoured by wild beasts in the Colosseum,
giving his life as a witness to the gospel. Saint Ignatius of Antioch, pray for us.